Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are jolly, jolly, jolly. Today I'll be making some Barbie fried pig's tail. Yes, 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 to the yes, 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 yes. And here are my lovely ingredients. Okay, so first we're going to scald off this pig's tail because I'm telling you, it is all the way salt. Salty, 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 bad. Well, good, because I like salty in my pig's tail, right? So I'm going to do it for a total of 3 times. So this is the first time. Make the water boil up, and even when it start boiling, leave it for just go and do another about 5 minutes, right? And then you pour off that water, and I'm pouring it in my colander just in case if some of the, that's for that reason there, because some of them will escape and drop, and you don't want them dropping at the sink. So yeah, just pour them back into your thing and then into your pot, and then throw some more water on it and make it boil up again. So as I said, if your pigtail really salty, do it for a total of 3 times, right? So yeah, I'm pour off the water and do it again, but this is the last time that I'm showing you. So what I'm going to do now is turn on the pipe, really cold water, and shock this pigtail, shock it up. So basically I'm just trying to get it down to room temperature, right? So you can just throw them into a bowl and get some water and do it that way there. So yeah, let me just put my oil to preheat, and I just showed you my pig's tail and they look so beautiful, right? So while the oil is being hotted, let's just coat these pigtail with some flour. Now Vibes fam, when I say flour, I mean just only the all-purpose flour, right? So not your self-rising now, no. Just your regular flour. And Vibes Sam don't add nothing to it. Now, you know, say me is a girl where me love season any and everything, right? And I'm saying, don't add no seasoning to it. Because remember, the pigtail have a very distinct taste and flavor and all that, and me love it. I don't know about you, I love it. You don't want to mess with that, right? So just the flour alone, coat them, shake off the excess flour, right? And put them into your little container. And don't forget to preheat your oil, you know. While this is going on, while you're doing this, make sure say your oil upon the fire going hot, because as soon as you finish coat them here, you want to just take them and put them directly into the pot, right? And start fry. So yeah, that's it. This is the last batch, and here we are. They are all done. Look at you, all coated coated. Good job. And I love the end of the pig's tail, you see. So yeah, Vibes fam, I just added a pepper to the pot and that was it. So now I'm adding 1/2 cup of orange juice, 3/4 cups of barbecue sauce, and 1/3 cup of ketchup. And now I'm going to add 1/2 cup of honey. And Vibes of me, I tell you, say this are the legit honey, you know, legit, you know, from down a yard. May I tell you, say proper things, you know, man. That is why it is coming out all them type of nice, thick, and you know, our honey, you set it aside for a while, you know how we get. Look there. Oh yes, good honey. So yeah, this is my good as honey. 1/2 cup of that. And 1 teaspoon of hot jerk seasoning. So you know the jerk seasoning, my one really hot. So yeah, that's what I add, and then you give it a stir, and you have this on low heat. Vibes fam, you're going to bring it to a boil, right? and then we go from there. So yeah, you're gonna leave it, make it go and bubble away and bubble again. But yeah, make sure say you stir, combine everything and get everything like all my honey now will never dissolve or anything. Yeah, so go and stir till all of that go on, and then you leave it and make it go and bubble away, and then you return it, right, and check on it. So that's what we're gonna do. So leave it now, look pan, yeah, see the consistency. So yeah, let's turn these pigstail now. Vibes fam, guess what, you don't want to fry this for long, you know, right? Maybe 3 minutes span each side, not long at all. You just try get a little, you know, a little color. So yeah, once it gets a bit brown, and guess what, because my pigtail look really red, your one might not look so. It might be that, you know what, sometimes you see it really white, right? So it just depending upon how your pigtail look. But yeah, you just need it to get a little bit of color. As I said, not more than 3 minutes on each side, and you would have take it out. Me say some popping go on in this pot. So yes, here I'm adding half teaspoon of vinegar. Yeah, was it half teaspoon? Yes, it was. So yeah, give it a stir, and Vibes fam, taste it and make sure everything nice. So here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now what you could do, you could add just the 1 cup of honey. 1 cup of honey would be fine. If you don't want to add the sugar, that's fine. But yeah, or guess what you can do, add the sugar and taste it and see. Start off with your half cup, don't add the sugar and taste it and see how it go, because all our taste buds different, you know, we like things differently, but this perfect for me. So yeah, so let's go back now and take out these, and I'm telling you, Mr. Vibes fam, some popping off, go on, look there. Oh, you know, see a violence. The pigtail wake up and choose, you know, the pigtail say, oh, me? Yeah, me love what? What? I was like, listen, by the hook, listen, you are gonna get eaten today. So you can't stay there and boy, you try fight me. Me, you can't fight me. Me, I go win, cause you are gonna get eat. So yeah, Vibes, take them out, put in your next set. And oh, by the way, it was 1 pound 15 ounce worth of pigtail. That's 881 grams of pigtail that I use. So here it is, a lovey-dovey, beautiful. Look at it. Look at the consistency of this thing. Now, if you want, you can add some just use about half teaspoon, because to me this texture is the consistency is really good, right? You don't need for add no cornstarch in it. But if you want and you feel say you want it thicker, your one really runny, then yeah, do about a half teaspoon of cornstarch, or you can use some flour, catch little water upon it, and you know, make your little paste and throw it in there and get it thick. But yeah, Vibes Sam, look at it, so beautiful, so good. And that is us. So here we are, all done with that. There are my pigstail, and I'm gonna add them to my sauce. At this point in time, you can turn off the fire. Yeah, turn it off. And oh, Vibes, some I forgot to mention, so preheat your oven at 185 degrees Celsius or 365 degrees Fahrenheit, right? Because we are gonna put these good boy, good girl in the oven, right? So yeah, make sure you coat all of them with the barbecue sauce. I'm telling you, Vibes fam, this smells so amazing, amazeballs, so good. so yeah, Vibes fam, make sure you coat it properly. And then now I'm going to pour it into my baking tray. Or guess what, you know what you could do? Put them, when you fry them, put them into your baking tray and then just pour the sauce all over it. You can do it that way there too. That's easy too as well, you know, that's fine. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and make them, well, not small up themselves, space out in yourself, space out in yourself. No, you never ever hear that on the bus. Them always I tell you, say, small up yourself, small up yourself. No, space out in yourself. Half a tree, down a town, space out in yourself, space out in yourself. So yeah, just pour the sauce in the tray, on them, around them, on top of them, beneath them, all over and around them. And yeah, then we're gonna put it in the oven, and we're going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes, just a little 20 minutes. This is it. Look at it, so juicy looking. So in we go for a nice little 20 minutes, and then out we come after 20 minutes. Look at y'all, look at the bubbling, bubbling away and bubbling. And Vibes Fam, Ray, here we have it. Here we have the finished product. Here we have the finished product. And them say Vaseline, rub them down, and them say shine bright. Oh, shine and glistening so. I want to go on. We don't invest in a shea butter. We don't have stocks and shares in a No, them pigtail here buy stocks in a shea butter. I'm telling you, they have shares in there because they are sharing away and glistening away. Vibes Fam, I'm telling you, this is so good. When I tell you say it nice, I mean say it really nice. And by the way, how do you guys like your pigtail? Because then if you really like your pigtail super soft, then boy, Vibes Fam, you have to go boil it for a while, you know, man. But yeah, the nice liquor to it is so good. And then the sweet with a little bit of salt when you go down into it. Man, I am telling you, Vibes Fam, this is everything. See, I add a little garnish. You know, I do a little thing like, yeah, you add a little garnish. You know, the green just kind of just bring it up power, yeah. Look, man. Oh, yeah, I was saying, you see the tail, that part there, the end of the tail, the tip of the tail, that are my pet. That me love it. What? Well, just give me the whole thing, yeah, man. Just give it to me. But Vibes Fam, thank you guys so much for watching and for hanging out with me. If you try this recipe, let me know. Please go follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Don't forget to like this video. God bless you.